Okay, so here we're going to do 4-5 triangle congruence using ASA and AAS. Okay, so very quickly, this is very similar to the previous lesson we just did. ASA is angle, side, angle. So again, the side has to be between the two angles. And then the next one is AAS, which is angle, angle, side. So that means the side has to be on the outside of the two angles. Alright, so let's take a look at these first two. So again, one of the things we got to remember is how to mark things that we know are true even if it's not in the picture itself already. So for example, in problem number 1, we know that this side is congruent in both triangles because it is a shared side between the two triangles. Now, if I look at that, in the top triangle I have side, angle, side. But in the bottom triangle I have side, side, angle. Those do not match up. And it's not one of the reasons that we have listed, so we would say not congruent. Okay, let's take the next one, number 2. So here we have these two angles are congruent. Now, why are those congruent? Remember, we called those vertical, back to back. We know they're equal, even though they're not marked in the picture. So then I look in the bottom triangle, I have angle, side, angle. In the top triangle, I have angle, side, angle. So that is one of our reasons. Angle, side, angle. Excuse me. Alright, let's continue. Number 3. Okay, in this one, there is nothing shared, nothing in common. So there's nothing else I can mark. And here I just have side and an angle. That's only 2 things. All of our reasons involve 3. SSS, SAS, ASA, or AAS. All of them have 3 things. So if it has 2, then we say not congruent. Alright, what about the next one here? Let me get rid of this here. Okay. So here we have angle, angle, and an angle. Angle, angle, angle. That's 3 things, but guess what? AAA is not one of our reasons. So we say not congruent. So it's real important that you not just be able to read or look at a picture, but you've also got to know all the different ways. So you got to know the letters. Okay, the next ones, we have to state what other information we need in order to make them congruent by the given method. So we have ASA, angle, side, angle. So remember, we have to mark what we know even if it's not in the picture. Well, they share this side, so it's congruent. So I have angle, side. What I need is another angle. So I need to mark this up here. So in the bottom triangle, it would be angle, side, and then angle. 2 hash marks there, or 2 arcs there. So what I need to know is angle, and I got to use 3 letters here because F has more than one angle at it. So I do H, F, G is congruent to angle S, F, G. So I'm talking about H, F, G, the 2 arcs here, and then S, F, G, the 2 arcs here. Alright, the next one, ASA, angle, side, angle. So I have angle, I need a side, then here's the other angle. So where's the side that would be between those? Right here. So I need to mark this side. So in this one, I need that side to get angle, side, angle. So what do I need to know? I need QP congruent to PQ, or QP, however you want to say it. in the second triangle. Alright, the next problems. Okay, problem number 7. Something we can mark that we know even though it's not in the picture, and that is these two angles are congruent because those are vertical. Get rid of this stuff over here on the side. Okay. So I want to do angle, angle, side. So what I have right now is I have angle, side. So I need another angle. Well, I can't put the angle here because then that would go angle, side, angle. So it has to be this angle here. Angle, angle, then the side. So I need angle S here. So in the other triangle, that would be angle Z, because it would go angle, angle, side. So what do I need to know? I need to know angle S is congruent to angle Z. Alright, number 8, same thing. What do I know? I know the vertical angles are congruent. I need to do angle, angle, side. So I have angle, side. Well, I can't do this one because then that would be angle, side, angle. So I need to do this one, angle, angle, then the side. So I need E. So I need E congruent to what? Well, let's go in the upper triangle. Angle, L, angle, angle, side. So I need to know angle L. So I need angle E congruent to angle L. So again, just a very similar lesson to what we did in 4.4, just with different reasons. So just a real quick review. Remember, here are the 4 reasons triangles can be congruent. SSS, SAS, ASA, and then AAS. So one thing I want to emphasize to you, I'm going to make a note here. Make sure you understand angle, side, side is not ever a reason. So just so we get this, angle, side, side is never a reason. Hopefully you see that. Don't ever, 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 ever put that down.